Hello, class. So today I'm going to talk to you guys about my progress on my white paper assignment. This is just going to be a little presentation showcasing where we're at with this project. So jumping right into it. The company that I've chose to address in my white paper is the Home Depot. More specifically, the Home Depot is a consumer and professional home improvement retailer that has offerings online as well as brick and mortar stores. The white paper type I chose to encompass this topic is the numbered list white paper. And the topic of this white paper I choose to emphasize is the aspects of their services and bulk savings deals. So I believe this white paper will help Home Depot optimize retail sales for companies through perks and benefits, attract large-scale corporations through their bulk sale pro deals, as well as accommodating local shoppers to gain loyalty in this very competitive space. This is, like many retailers, a very high competitive space, and it's kind of a conglomeration because there's only a few home improvement retailers that are really noteworthy and have the size scale that Home Depot has. So that's definitely important to note. So far, I haven't had much time to focus on the white paper outline. So I have successfully gathered sources as well as highlighted the aspects of the company through the executive summary and creating the title page and just kind of the outline. So very much so still need work on the bulkhead of the work and the white paper, but getting the outline gathered is my first step here. Like I said, working towards creating a template on this white paper outline to guide me through more enticing research and make sure that I have the research and sources that I need to supply the argument that I'm making. And next steps forward, like I mentioned, using this outline and template of the white paper to hone in on my research, gain some additional scholarly sources, and focus on design element to make it appealing, since this is a very sizable document and it might just drag on and look black and white and boring. So the goal of my completion is within the first week of December. I believe my understanding is that the assignment is due within that first week, so I'd hope that I'd have it completed. And my biggest concerns is interest and engagement from the reader. I mean, I don't think any of us have too interesting of topics. I mean, I could be wrong, but I feel like the mutual concern for most of us would definitely be the word count and the length of this assignment. So hopefully we're able to gather enough sources and information and content to fulfill this big assignment.